Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Benv First family. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back again, you understand? We are back again, we are back again, we are back again. We are back again. You guys know nothing they stop us. Even as my voice is not going to finish, nothing they stop us. I don't take mess, I don't link mentors, I don't link shout talks, I don't link everything tire. But my voice refused to open. But nevertheless, we keep pushing regardless. Although I will take a rest, make my voice come back. I will take a rest, make my voice come back, but let's see how it will be. So how far? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? My families, how you guys doing? I know I come to this particular sub. How you doing, bro? God did effects. God did effects. You're welcome. I see you, my brother. I see you. How you doing? How was your night? How was your night, bro? How was your night? God did effects. How was your night? You're highly welcome. Okay. That's very great. That's very great. You're welcome. You're welcome. I I cannot be able to come to live stream yesterday because my shop here there's no lights for our face. Then for house there's no network, so I cannot be able to come. You understand? So I cannot be able to come. So we are going to the chat now. Let's see what the chat have for us. Let's see what London session have for us this morning. We are good. We are going to the chat now straight. I was very well. Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You're welcome. Next time, you're welcome. We are going to the screen now so that we'll see what London section have for us. So let's see what London section have for us. Oh yeah. Time no there. You guys are welcome. Yesterday I cannot come to live stream because in my studio there's no light. You understand? Because we don't have a light on our face. Then I went to the house, you understand, to do that live stream, but network not allow me, you understand. You guys are welcome. I can see, I can see my people here already. I can see you guys here already. Can you guys can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, please press number one on the chat. If you can see my screen, press number one on the chat. If you can see my screen, let me see number one. Let me see number one. Let me see number one on the chat. My voice don't go finish. I need to take a rest. Okay. That's very great. That's very great. All right. So let's go to listen. Which pair you guys want us to see first? Is it Euro USD, XA USD, or JP USD? Which one do you guys want us to do first? Among the three pairs, which one are we going to check? Which one do you go? Which one? XA USD, Euro USD, or JP USD? Drop me for me. EU. Okay. Somebody have suggested already Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD real quick. XA USD. All right. One after the other. Victor Furniture, you're welcome, my brother. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're welcome. So can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me see number one, please. If you can hear me, let me see number one. If you can hear me, let me see number one, please. If you can hear me, let me see number one. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. If you can hear me, let me see number one, please. Is the sound okay? Is the sound okay, please? What's that? Can you guys hear me now? If you can hear me, let me see number one. If you can hear me, let me see number one, please. Sound is back now. Okay, 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 okay. Sound is back. All right, all right. That's very great. That's very great. That's what I want, man. Okay, that's very great. Okay. So this is Euro USD. What are we see? What exactly are we see on Euro USD? Hope this particular this thing never go pick my long term this thing. On the weekly time frame, the market is still going down. You understand? Just as you can see, the weekly time frame, the market form an A pattern. The market form an A pattern. You understand? But there is no like the market have not reached any major support level. You understand to reverse to the upside yet. Is either we'll see a reversal from this particular area. Mm, is either we'll see a reverse from this particular area or we'll see a reverse from here. You understand? These are the two areas that I'm looking at for the market to reverse. And these are the two major support level I'm expecting the market to reverse from. You understand? These are the two major areas that I'm expecting the market to reverse from on Euro USD. Then we'll go to daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the market is trying to reverse to the upside, but the reason why you know that yes, this particular reversal will not go far is the reason why you know that the market will not go far is because there is nothing like engulfing candle on the daily time frame. You understand? And even there is an engulfing candle on the daily time frame, then we'll be expecting that the market will go far from this particular area where the market is trying to retrace from. And just as I always tell you guys, just as I always tell you guys, no matter how anything go down reach, no matter anything go down reach, there must be a place where the market will like rest. You understand? So this is what we are going to see. You understand? We are going to see a reversal to this particular maybe resistance level before we see a break to the downside. You understand? Maybe this is what we are going to see. And even this particular reversal will go far, we will see an engulfing candle that close above this particular candlestick. You understand? But there is no any engulfing candle around this particular area. So the reversal you are going to see will not be like that long. You understand? Just like this particular reversal, that's exactly what you are going to see. Mm. Just like this particular reversal here. Just time. So the reversal will not be long. It will just go like this. You understand? Before we see a push to the downside. You understand? So please, everything now is a sell. Everything now is a sell. The market is going to the downside. Good morning, my brother. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. As you can see, my voice is gone. My voice is gone already. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How was your night, bro? How was the night? How was the night? How was the night? So this is here. The reversal that we are going to see from here will not go far. You understand? Maybe somewhere around this particular area or this area. Let me mark where we'll be expecting the market to reverse from. Uh, this is one resistance level and this is another resistance level. You understand? On the daily time frame, this is what we'll be expecting. You understand? The market should reverse to this particular resistance level or this particular resistance level before we see a break to the downside, because there is no any fair value gap here. You understand? There is no any fair value gap here until before we see that the market change structure. Until we see before we see that the market change in direction to the upside is until we see a breakout of structure, maybe somewhere around this particular area. You understand? Maybe you see a breakout of this particular area like this. You understand? Before we know that yes, the market will break structure. maybe you see a breakout of market or break structure, but for now the market is going to the downside, and there is no any sign that the market is going. I'm doing fine. Oh, I'm doing fine. Just that because of the live stream now, my voice don't go finish. As you can see, my voice don't go, like my voice not even good again at all. I don't to suffer. You understand? I don't to suffer. And if I don't come to this live stream, it go just be like say I dey sick. You understand? If I don't come this live stream, it go just be like say I dey sick. You understand? So even that yesterday that I cannot come. How much is that? Okay, no problem. So even that yesterday that I not come live stream, I tried to go house to do that particular live stream, but there's no network in my house. You understand? So I have to like be patient till this morning so that I'll come and meet you guys. So this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD in the long term. You understand? This is what I'm expecting on Euro USD in the long term. But everything you need to do is you go to your 4-hour time frame. You understand? Since you have known the direction of the market in the short period of time, you go to the 4-hour time frame, you mark a support and a resistance level out. You understand? So how you do your top-down analysis is know the direction of the market from the higher time frame. That is exactly what we do on weekly time frame. If you know the direction of the market on the higher time frame, then you go to the lower time frame and see the reaction of the market. Understand? After you see the reaction of the market on the lower time frame, then you follow the trend. You understand? Then you follow the trend. So this is it here. The market is trying to reverse up a bit, but where the market to reverse to will not be far. You understand? Maybe it's highest around this particular resistance level or this particular resistance level. That is where we are going to see a reversal. You understand? So be very, very careful on anything you are doing concerning buy. You understand? And be very careful anything you are doing concerning sell. Before you take a sell, make sure you see an engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame before you take your sell. You understand? And if you are doing that sell, make sure your stop loss is above that particular engulfing candle. You understand? Sell on, like, if before if you enter sell using 4-hour time, that particular engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? And if now 15-minute time frame you use, make sure your stop loss is above that 15-minute time frame bearish engulfing candle. You understand? But for you to be in the safer side, look for a bearish candle on the 4-hour time frame before you enter your sell this period. You understand? If not, the market will like sweep you out before you go in your direction, and it always do that thing. So please be very, very careful. You understand? Please be very, very careful this time. So I'll go to 4-hour time frame now. I'll go to 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are still seeing we'll see that the market will reverse. It will reverse to the upside. You understand? The market will reverse to the upside. Regardless, the market will reverse to the upside. Maybe this is what the market is going to do on the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you guys what it's going to do, because me, I'll prepare for it. You understand? I'll prepare for it on the smaller time frame. I'll prepare for it. On the smaller time frame, I'm going to prepare for this particular reversal. You understand? So this is what the market will do. Maybe to reach this particular resistance level, I'll show you the direction of the market from the higher time frame. So this one is on the 4-hour time frame. Let me tell you what the market is going to do on the 4-hour time frame in the short period of time. If you look closely, there's a resistance level here. You understand? There's a resistance level here. the market will manage, you understand, the market will manage to reach this particular resistance level. um I dey call, let me, if you look closely, you see this structure. This is a W pattern, you understand. This is a W pattern outside, or it will manage go a bit, so we see another push to the downside. This is exactly what I'm expecting. This is exactly what I'm expecting. This is exactly what I'm expecting this period. Because on the weekly time frame, the market have not given any sign of going to the down to the upside. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame, this is exactly what I'm expecting. On the 4 hour time frame, this is exactly what I'm expecting. Then there is an inner support level where the market supposed to come rest on before we will see another push to the upside again. I need to talk about that particular one. You understand? So if the market reach this particular area, we might see a push. You understand? We might see a push to this particular area before the market will gather momentum. um Because if you look closely, this is an inner support level. You understand? This is an inner support level on the 4 hour time frame. So we might see a push to this particular support level before the market will take its move to the upside. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame. Do you guys get? If you are understanding what I'm saying, please let me see a reaction from you, please. If you are understanding what I'm saying, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction from you. If you are understanding what I'm saying on Euro USD, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction from you. Hello there. If you're understanding what I'm saying on Euro USD, let me see a reaction from you, please. Alpha big man. Madu 001, Madu, I see you, my brother. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. Madu, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. Network no allow us to enjoy the live stream yesterday. Network no allow us to enjoy our live section yesterday. I swear to God, man. Omo, my voice don go finish o. E be like say I go take a rest, you understand? How market na? Omo, we thank God o, we just dey push. I just dey come on my chat. I never even do anything serious on the chart first. You understand? I'm just analyzing where the market will head to first. You understand? Before I prepare for entry. You understand? I'm just analyzing the market before I prepare for entry. You understand? And if I get any entry, maybe I'll come on live stream. You understand? To share with you guys. I miss good, but so anyone you miss, don't too beat yourself about that. Anyone you miss, let it go. You understand? If you miss any entry, there will be more other thousands of entry that you get. You understand? All you need to do is to like be patient and be disciplined. You understand? Don't pursue the market and you are good to go, my brother. You understand? If you miss any trade, don't worry yourself. You understand? The market will always come to you. You understand? You will not be the one to pursue the market. um the market will always come to you. You will not be the one to pursue the market. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on Euro USD this morning. And this is exactly what I'm seeing on Euro USD. Once Euro USD bounce on this particular 4 hour support level, then we'll look for a buy. You understand? Once Euro USD bounce on this particular support level, we'll look for a buy from here to the upside. You understand? This is exactly what I'm looking out for on Euro USD this morning. You get, this is exactly what I'm looking out for Euro USD this morning. But first of all, lastly, let me go to 15-minute time frame so that we'll see what 15-minute time frame is doing. You understand? Before we go to XAUSD. Oh boy. So this is it here. Before I do anything on the chart, I'll wait for the market to bounce on this particular support level. You understand? I'll wait for the market to bounce on this particular support level before I'll do anything concerning buy or sell. No, no believe. Okay, no be lie, I believe. Okay. That's very great, bro. That's very great. I've not seen what you write very well before. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting on Euro USD. I'll wait for the market to come on this particular support level before I look for entry. You understand? Let me delete this and put it again. What is that? What are you looking for? 100 naira. So this is it. I'll wait for the market to bounce on this particular support level before I look for entry to this particular resistance level. This is what I'll be expecting. And this is exactly what I'll be looking out for. My stop loss will be below this particular support level. Then I'll target 1 to 2. You understand? You guys know what I always target. Your analysis, bam. All right, thank you, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Madu, and I believe you, my brother. I believe you. Thank you. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I'll wait for the market to come to this particular support level. Give me something like a W pattern from this particular support level. You understand? Once the market come to this particular support level, once the market reach particular resistance level, I'm going to stop out regardless or put it on break even so that it will not come and take me out. You understand? So let's wait for the market to come to this particular support level on the 15-minute time frame. This one is for the traders and scalpers. You understand? This one is for the traders and scalpers. You understand? This is for the traders and scalpers. This is exactly what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. So please be patient. Let the market come to this particular support level before you take a buy or a sell, please. Before you take any decision, wait for the market to come to this particular support level, give you a strong signal what you like. Let it give you a strong signal before you enter for a buy. You understand? Let it give you a strong signal before you enter for a buy, please. You understand? Let it give you a strong signal before you enter for a buy. This is exactly what I'm waiting for. I wait for the market to come to this particular support level, give me a bullish engulfing candle, then form something like a W pattern. You understand? Once I see that particular structure, I'll just go in immediately. You understand? For a buy. And my stop loss will be below this particular support level. You understand? This is exactly what I'm looking out for. This is exactly what I'm looking out for. BTC and Nasdaq, the range. Okay. So I'm coming back for that. I'm coming back for that. BTC and Nasdaq, the range. So only Gulf don't break out. If I no see anything, I no go take any trade. See, once your strategy is not clear, just stay out of the market. That is just it. You understand? Once what you are looking for not play out, all you need to do is to stay away from the market that particular period. You understand? That's just it. Once your strategy did not play out, all you need to do is to stay away from the market that particular period. You understand? So please, patience is key. You understand? And before you get that patience, you have to be very, very disciplined. Good morning, Ibrahim. Good morning, Ibrahim. Good morning. Oh yeah, let's check what this thing. This is exactly what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. This is exactly what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. So we are going to check We are going to check gold now. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's check what gold is doing. Let's check what gold is doing. Okay. So this is it here. First of all, you go to your weekly time frame. Let's see what the weekly time frame is doing. Amber FX, you're welcome. I see you, my brother. I miss all of you guys yesterday. I swear to God, I miss all of you guys yesterday. My bro. I miss all of una yesterday. You're welcome. I see you, bro. Amber FX, you're welcome. So this is what I'm seeing on XAUSD. You understand? It's like the market want to take a little reversal. You understand, on the weekly time frame. You understand, just as you can see. But first of all, thank you, sir. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. So AmberFX, you're welcome. I appreciate you, bro. Then this is it here. After you see the direction of the market, this is bearish candle, and another candle is forming. Today is what? Today is Thursday, right? And today is Thursday, you understand? We don't know if the market will close bearish or close bullish. Once the market close bullish, means we will be expecting an uptrend, you understand, next week. But if this particular weekly time frame did not close bullish, then the market will still go to the downside. And this is where me, I'm expecting the market to come and rest. You understand? Before we do anything concerning buy, this is exactly where I want the market to come and rest on the weekly time frame before we do anything concerning buy. You understand? But if the market close bullish this week, then we'll be expecting a little bullish to the upside, you understand, next week. But if the market does not close bullish, then we'll be expecting the market to go to this particular support level before we see anything, you understand, before we do anything concerning buy to the upside. You understand? This is what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame. So I'll go to the daily time frame now and analyze the market. Let's see what daily time frame is doing. Then from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Emmanuel, you are welcome, my brother. You are welcome. I see you. Emmanuel Unabike, Emmanuel, you are welcome. I see you, bro. I see you. So this is what I'm going to do. This is my view on weekly time frame, you understand? Except this particular candlestick close bullish, you understand? Except this particular candlestick close bullish before we see a reversal to the upside. If not, right? If this particular candlestick close bullish, we'll see a little reversal to the upside, you understand? Before the market will break to the downside. But if this particular candlestick not close bullish, and if it's close bearish, then we are going to see a break to the downside. You understand? Then we'll see a push to the upside. This is weekly time frame analysis. You understand? Thank you for your like. You come late. No, you are still early, my brother. You are still early. No worry. Thank you so much. I love what you guys are doing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. That's the real love, man. That's the real love, and that's the real community. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Network again. Doing good. So we are going to daily time frame now. Let me go to daily time frame and see what the market is doing on the daily time frame. Okay. On a daily time frame, the market make a double bottom. You understand? Can you see? On a daily time frame, the market make a double bottom. So maybe possibly the market is going to close bullish. You understand? That weekly time frame maybe is going to close bullish. Then we'll see a reversal to the upside before the market will break to the downside. You understand? So the market make a double bottom on this particular support level. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. On gold now, the market make a double bottom. So maybe we'll see a breakout of this particular resistance level. You understand? Something like this. You understand, ba? So if the market break above this particular resistance level, then we are going to see a push to the upside. You understand? We'll see a push to the upside before the market to like retest this particular support level, then the market will go to the upside. You understand? This is what I'm saying on daily time frame. You understand? Then after daily time frame, since we have like see this particular one on daily time frame, let me see what destiny is saying. Exactly what destiny is saying. Good morning, sir. I just say make I use the like to announce my presence. Oh, it's your boy aggressively active, sir. Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. I see you, my bro. I see you. I salute, sir. I give you salute. I give you salute. I give you salute. Thank you. Please keep it up. 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 You understand? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is it. Yesterday I closed what? I closed in profit. That's very great. That's very great. This is the type of result I want to be seeing. You understand? This is the type of result I want to be seeing. This is the type of testimony I want to be seeing. I swear, this is the type of testimony I want to be seeing, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Means what we are doing here is not a waste. You understand? Because I'm trying to give you guys, I'm trying to like explain everything I know on the chart. You understand? I want to make this particular channel a friendly channel for every beginner and advanced traders. You understand? So I'm trying all my best, even if I'm not well. I always come on the live stream here so that you guys will come together and share you understand, share what is in your mind, because anywhere like traders need one or two people to be around them so that they will be share idea together. But since you cannot get it on your area, just like the way me, I cannot get it on my area, then we'll come here to rub mine together. Nothing more than that. You understand? I do not know it better than any one of you, and you guys, nobody know this market complete. You understand? We are just here to share our views. You understand? I'm not claiming I too know. No. I'm not claiming I too know. I just love you guys. That's the reason why I always come here to rub mine with you guys. You understand? I'm not claiming I too know, because even our top traders, they chop surplus. Then who am I? Then who am I? So I'm just here to like share all my knowledge, you understand, with you guys. And if you have any advice to give to beginner trader or an advanced trader, you just let me know. I'll bring you up. Then you talk to other people. You understand? That's just what we are doing here for now. You understand? So let me see. I hit TP. 2 TP hits back to back. Wow. That's very great, Emmanuel. That's very great, Destiny. That's very great. So I promise you now, you are going to be a profitable trader in a short period of time. You understand? I promise you, once you stick to this particular channel, you have the right mindset, you understand, to take your trade. Once you stick to the channel, you have the right mindset. You'll be disciplined to stick to your strategy. You'll be disciplined to stick to your risk management. You'll be disciplined to like manage your risk very, very well. You understand? So thank you so much for making me proud, bro. Thank you so much for making me proud. Thank you so much for making me proud. Thank you so much for making me proud, Destiny. Thank you. So this is exactly what I'm going to do now. So we are going to the lower time frame. Let's see where we can position for a buy or a sell on XAUSD. You understand? This is daily time frame. Then we are going to 4-hour time frame. You understand? This is 4-hour time frame. You understand? So what I'm expecting now is the market to like retest this particular resistance level. Then maybe we'll see a breakout of this particular resistance level today. You understand? We are going to see a breakout of this particular level today, so that the market will retest, then give us a bullish engulfing candle, then we'll enter for a buy. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm going to see. This is exactly what we are going to see, because enough is enough for this particular consolidation. You understand? Is either the market come to this particular resistance level on a day on a 4 hour time frame. Let me delete this one because it's on the daily time frame. Mm. On a 4 hour time frame, either the market, since the market have been consolidating around this particular support level, since the market has been consolidating around this particular support level, then we'll either see a breakout, you understand, or this particular support level retest, then we'll see a push to the upside. Then we'll see a push to the upside from here like this. You understand? Then we'll see a push to the upside from here like this. This is exactly what I'm waiting for. You understand? On XAUSD, and I've been saying this for long. I've been saying this for long. Let me see Madu. We have same analysis on the gold. Okay, that's very great, my brother. That's very great. 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 Knowing how to do technical analysis is everything you need to know. You understand? It's everything that will make you profitable. Then be very, very patient and disciplined. You understand? Be very, very disciplined. Be very, very disciplined. And stick to your chart, stick to your strategy, stick to your analysis, stick to your strategy. You understand? Nobody knows it better than you. You understand? Nobody knows it better than you. Only thing that you are lacking is just discipline to keep going. You understand? Discipline is everything that you need. Just be very, very disciplined to stick to your strategy. Be very disciplined to, like, in every part of your trading journey, even in your life, extend that discipline to your life also. Just the way I am, you understand? You guys know I'm very, very disciplined, you understand? If not, I cannot continue this particular live stream. If you notice, my voice have go deep now. My voice don't go inside too much now because of live stream. But because of the kind of discipline I have gathered, you understand? If I'm not come to this particular life, it's as if I'm sick. You understand? I don't want to be sick. You understand, man? So I'm here almost every day, every time. Even if my voice, like, let it go finish, may nobody they hear me, I'll still come back. I'll still come on live here so that people will be seeing me. You understand? Once people will be seeing me from the comments here, people are going to learn a lot, you understand? And anybody who can, like, maybe talk one or two concerning trading psychology or trading management or risk management or discipline, I can bring the person up so that the person will, like, talk to my audience, you understand? If my voice go finish, you understand? So you guys, I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on gold. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting on gold. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting on gold in a short period of time. So please be patient on what you are doing on gold now like this. Let gold break above this particular resistance level first. You understand? The consolidation is much. And I point out the reason why the consolidation is taking gold so much time before it breaks to the upside is because of all this bearish engulfing candle. You understand? So be very, very patient so that gold will break above this particular consolidation before you do anything. So try to be patient, my brother. Try to be patient, my sisters. You understand? So let's go. Which other pair do you guys want us to do? Which other pairs? Which other pairs? Which other pairs? Which other pairs? Which other pairs do you guys want us to look out for? Which other pair do you guys want us to check? Which other pairs do you guys want us to check? Which other pairs? Which other pairs? Okay, BTC USD. All right, let's check BTC USD. Let's check BTC USD. Let's check BTC USD real quick. I bet take a screenshot of this particular analysis. Take a screenshot of this particular analysis. I beg. Take a screenshot of this particular analysis. Take a screenshot of this particular analysis. I beg. You understand? That one is just like maybe you are Yeah, what is that? Maybe that one is just like you are journaling down your analysis and the rest. You understand, so that you will not forget what to do on the chart. So please take a screenshot of this particular analysis that we'll do. You understand? I'm expecting the market to break above this particular resistance level, retest it, then we'll see a push to the upside. I'm going to take a picture of it. Let's go to BTC USD. But first of all, let me check. This is London section. Let me check JP USD first. Let me check. Okay, nothing is really happening here. Nothing is really happening here. Nothing is really happening here. So let's go to BTC USD. Let's go to BTC USD. There is one guy that is asking me question yesterday under my live section. I told him that he should come to live stream so that I'll analyze it. I'll tell him what I'm seeing. You understand? But I don't know. Ah, man. Okay, this is BTC USD. This is BTC USD on our screen. So what exactly are you seeing? The market reached this particular resistance level and trying to retrace to the downside on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? Hmm? Yeah, great. Like we have do this particular analysis before. We don't do this analysis before. We don't do this analysis before. I do this analysis before. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? If you can see my screen, let me see. Let me see. If you can see my screen, let me see real quick. If you can see my screen, let me see. Let me see a reaction from you. If you can see my screen, let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Can you guys see the analysis that I will do? I think this analysis will be yesterday. This analysis is yesterday. This analysis is yesterday on BTC USD. This analysis is yesterday on BTC USD. Can you guys see the result? Can you guys see the result? If you can see the result, oh yeah, let me see. If you can see the result, let me see fire on the let me see fire emoji on the chat, man. Let me see fire emoji. Key. It's off. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Okay, that's very great. Key. Okay, this is it. I mean, no verse, man, you carry code. The POS is done. All right. That's very great. That's very great. This is an analysis that we'll do yesterday. Thank you so much, AmberFX. Thank you. This is analysis that we'll do yesterday, and immediately the market reached that particular resistance level, is trying to go to the downside. So we are going to break it down now like this. Let's know what to do. You understand? On BTC USD, we are going to break it down now like this so that we'll know what to do. You understand? Let's know what to do on the on the chart. You understand? Let's know what to do on the chart. So this is it. I predict this particular market yesterday that it will like manage reach this particular resistance level, then it will break to the downside. You understand? And what are you seeing? The market reach the resistance level, approach the resistance level, and going to the downside. You understand? Can you see? The market go reach the resistance level and trying to move to the downside now. So this is an analysis that we do yesterday. You understand? So anything that you see now, you understand, the market might, let me go to daily time frame. So there will be a little consolidation today on the chart. You understand? There will be a little consolidation today on the chart. Can you see? Let me tell you the reason why. This is a bullish engulfing candle, and And this particular bullish, and this is a bullish candle, and this particular bullish candle will not allow this particular market to akule ma shake abi. Ine yala wa yo le le am. Ayola le for chilo or having. So the market will do like more of consolidation around this particular area. You understand? Maybe go all the way to this particular place before we see a break to the downside. Let me tell you the reason why. If you go to 4 hour time frame, you will see that the market not give any bearish engulfing candle. So this is exactly what the market will do on the 4 hour time frame. Let me show you guys now. This is exactly what the market is going to do on the 4 hour time frame. Since the market have moved all the way to this particular area, it will come like this, come to this particular minor support level, you understand, move up. Then after I move like to take out this particular high, then it was a bearish engulfing candle to the downside. You understand? That's exactly what we'll see on BTC USD. You understand? So all you need to do is to wait for the market to give you a strong confirmation before you enter for a sell to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charges from my account. Okay, count it. This is exactly what I'll be looking out for. And this is exactly what I'll be looking out for. I'll wait for the market to come to this particular resistance level. This is a minor support level. This is a minor support level. I'll wait for the market to come to this particular support level. Then we'll see a push from here to the upside. Then after I reach this particular support level, a resistance level there, it will push to the downside. This is exactly what I'm looking out for. This is exactly what I'm looking out for. You understand? This is exactly what I'm looking out for. So then let me go to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what's happening on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. So this is exactly what I said. You understand? As you can see, the market is like more of consolidation to the downside. You understand? So it will bounce on this particular support level, then give us a bullish engulfing candle from here, go to this resistance level before it will break to the downside. This is the support level the market is coming to. The market is coming to this particular support level. Then after it comes to this particular support level, it will give us an engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Then it will go to this particular resistance level. Once it tap on this particular resistance level, then the market will crash to the downside. This is exactly what I'm looking for on BTC USD. So if you understand, let me see how I understood, please, on the chart. If you understand, let me see how I understood. Let me see how I understood. If you understand, let me see how I understood. You understand? If you understand, let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Please like the video so that it will reach more people. You understand? Like the video so that it will reach more people. Like the video so that it will reach more people, please. Like the video so that it will reach more people. Understood? That's very great. That's very great, my brother. That's very, very great. ABFX, do you have my WhatsApp number? ABFX, do you have my WhatsApp number? BFX, do you have my WhatsApp number? If you have my WhatsApp number, let me know. If you have my WhatsApp number, let me know. Let me know. And if you don't have, just let me know. Okay, that's very great. So if anything is confusing you on the chart, I know you are an experienced trader, you understand. But if anything is confusing you on the chart, just reach out to me, you understand. Just reach out to me. Just tell me I'm BFX, because I've changed this your name to FX already, not Felix. Sorry, not Felix again. You understand? Not Felix anymore. It's FX now, not Felix. I'm BFX, not Ambe Felix. I've changed your name. Benv FX, change your name to Ambe FX, not Ambe Felix. You understand? Benv FX have changed your name, officially changed your name to Ambe FX. You understand? not Ambe Felix, not Ambe Felix, not Ambe Felix. Ambe FX, Ambe FX. Even the FX still match the Felix, you understand? The FX still match the Felix. So please, I officially change your name from Ambe Felix to Ambe FX. You understand? So that is me. I'm the one that changed it for you, my bro. I'm the one that changed it for you. I'm the one that changed it for you. And in a short period of time, no matter the struggle you are having in the forest industry, you are going to like pass it. And you share your own story to other people. You teach other people, you understand, on how to become a profitable trader. You understand, in a short period of time. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. ABFS, I beg, if you can edit your name, just edit it to FX, you understand? Not Felix. Edit it to FX, not Felix anymore, not Felix anymore. Ambe Felix, Ambe FX. After the live stream, just edit your name to FX, Ambe FX. Forever and ever, you will know that yes, it's my VFX. I changed your name from Ambe Felix to Ambe FX. You understand? You understand? Hey, you're laughing. No, there is something. See, I see something. I'm seeing something. I'm seeing something. I'm seeing your consistency. I'm seeing your discipline. I'm seeing your you're relentless. You understand? That's the reason why I can say this. I'm seeing your consistency. I'm seeing your discipline, and I see your like every part of your trading. I'm observing it. You understand? Because of your response. That's the reason why I'm changing your name from Ambe Felix to Ambe FX. You get so no be laughing matter. No be laughing matter. No be laughing matter. You understand? So this is it here. What was that? Okay, hot chocolate no dey. So which other pair are we going to check? Which other pair? Which other pair are we going to check? Which other pair are we going to check? I beg, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section for me real quick. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section for me real quick, real quick, real quick. Where are my people? If you have any question, drop it on the comment section real quick, real quick, real quick. Madu 001, Madu, I don't know if she is still active. I don't know if she is still active, Madu. I don't know if Madu is still active. If you're active, just let me know. If you're active, just let me know. If you are active, let me know. Let me know. If you're active, just let me know. Okay, this is it, yeah. All right. We're expecting the market to bounce on this particular support level before we do anything concerning buy. So let's see how it's going to play out. Let's see how it's going to play out. Then let me see Nasdaq. Let's see Nasdaq. Nas 100. Nas 100. Nas 100. I don't do analysis on this particular pair. I swear to God, man. I don't do. Can you imagine? If I predict anything, it dey hard for the market to go against am. I don't know why. And I know they take trade on the higher time frame. That's just my problem. E be like say I go change to higher time frame now. I predict this market that it will come and fill this particular gap before we see any push to the upside. So what the market is trying to do now, is to Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I don't know why I know they take higher time frame this thing trade. If not, I'm very, very good in predicting the market from the higher time frame, but I'd always stick to 15-minute time frame because I've been trading 15-minute time frame for long. Amber FX. Oh, that's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Amber FX, Amber FX, Amber FX, Amber FX. Amber FX, Amber FX, Amber FX is back, man. Amber FX is back. Amber FX is back. Amber FX is back. Amber is back. Amber is back. Amber FX is back. Amber FX is back. Thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. Amber FX is back, man. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great, my brother. Omo, you deserve this FX. You understand? Imagine Felix and FX. And you are good in, at least you are approaching the profitability in forex. You understand? You need to change the name real fast. Amber FX, Amber FX, Amber Felix to Amber FX real quick. I officially changed the name, you understand, and it's going to like work out very, very quick. You understand? I officially changed the name, man. Amber FX to the world, 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 man. Amber FX to the world, man. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, my bro. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You are welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, bro. No need to even thank me because you deserve it more. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, you're welcome. I really appreciate you. Just go straight and change it. That's just it, man. That is the spirit. That's the spirit. That's the spirit, man. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Mm. Yes, exactly. So the market will like, this is what Nasdaq is going to do on the 4 hour time frame. This is what Nasdaq is going to do. As it move from this particular resistance level, it will maybe return. No, but this one like this, it will be a push to the upside. But it's trying to make a double bottom first. It's trying to make a double bottom from this particular area first. It's trying to make a double bottom before it go to the upside. Mm. This particular market want to make a double bottom before it will move to the upside. This is exactly what NAS 100 is coming down to do. It will make a double bottom here before we'll see a push to the upside. You understand? So be very, very calm. Be very, very calm. Be very, very calm. This is what we are seeing on NAS 100. Let me see 15-minute time frame. Let me see 50. Okay, as you can see, 15-minute time frame is giving more of bearish engulfing candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle here. This is a bearish engulfing candle here, and this is another bearish engulfing candle. So the market is going down. You understand? Before we see any other push to the upside, you understand? It's going to make a double bottom on the 4 hour time frame. It's coming down to make a double bottom on this particular 4 hour time frame before we see a push to the upside. So be very, very patient first. Be very, very patient. Be very, very patient. Be very, very patient. And be very, very patient so that we'll see what's going to happen. Be very patient so that we'll see what's going to happen. This is my major concern. This particular gap that the market opened with is my major concern before, but now the market have feel Nasdaq have filled the gap. You understand? The remaining thing now for Nasdaq is to just bounce on this particular support level and move to the upside. You understand? That's exactly what I'm looking out for now, like this. You understand? On Nasdaq. And on the 15-minute time frame, there's nothing for you to do yet on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? There's nothing for you to do yet on the 15-minute time frame. Do you get? There's nothing for you to do yet on the 15-minute time frame. There's nothing for you to do yet on the 15-minute time frame. So please be calm. So please be calm. Please be calm. Please be calm. Mm. Please be calm, please be calm, please be calm. Let me see this particular area. Then go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, there is a resistance level here. So there's a resistance level here before the market. So like let me go to 4 hour time frame. Everything is calculating. No, everything in this market is calculating. Be very, very calculative. That is just all. And be very, very, very calculative. Be very, very calculative. Be very calculative. Be very calculative. Be very, very calculative. You understand? Okay, I've seen it. Let me see. Let me see again on the 15-minute time frame. Let me see again on the 15-minute time frame. So even if anybody take this particular sale now, even if you take this particular sale now, your stop loss will be above this particular area. Let me just say, if you take a sale now like this, your stop loss will be below above this particular support level. Let me see around here like this. Then you target times 2. You understand? Be very, very careful. I'm not telling anybody to sell. Oh, I'm not telling anybody to sell. I'm just doing my technical analysis, Nikoi. I'm just doing my technical analysis. I'm not telling anybody to sell. Please hold on first. To hold on first. Before I give a signal for buy or for a sell, I need to see my confirmation, my own personal confirmation before I give signal. Make I even delete am very fast before they will go and sell. Make I delete am very fast. Make I delete am very fast before they will go and sell. Abeg o. So I'm expecting the market to come to this particular support level before we see a push to the upside, or from this particular area, you understand, before the market will push to the upside. This is exactly what I'm expecting. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting. Just these two area. These two area. That's where I'm expecting the market to come. Mm. These two area. These two area is where I'm expecting the market to come before we see a push to the upside. You understand? So this is it here. This is it here, this is it here, this is it here, this is it here. Because the market have already do what e need to do. You understand? The market have already do what e need to do. So the next thing now is to move to the upside. But when are you going to position yourself? You understand? When are you going to prepare for the market to like go to the upside? You wait for the market to come to a major support level, you understand, before you enter for a buy. That's just it. That's the only thing. Patience is going to pay you a lot. Just trying to be patient. You understand? Try to be patient. Try to be patient. Try to be patient. Let me check. Let me check Euro USD if there is anything. If there is any opportunity for us to take a trade, let's check Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD. Okay. The market will break above this particular resistance level. Let's see if it will retest. The market will break above this particular resistance level. If let's see if there will be a retest, man. The market have finally break above this particular minor resistance level. Let's see if there will be a retest. You understand? Let's see if there will be a retest on the 15-minute time frame. Then we'll look for our entry. You understand? Let's see if there will be a retest on the 15-minute time frame. Then we'll look for our entry. You understand? Please be calm. Be calm. Be calm. Be calm. Be calm. If we can see a retest on this particular support level, then we'll see. Will enter for a buy. But Arabian, you put a buy limit, a buy stop here, the market will have PQ. You understand? But nevertheless, let's wait for the market to retest on this particular area. Mm? Mm? Well, So we will be waiting for the market to retest this particular support level before we enter for a buy to the upside, because the market have break one resistance level already. The market have break one resistance level already. So let's wait for a retest. Once we see a retest on this particular area, then we'll enter for a buy. Maybe before New Year section or during New Year section. So be very, very active. Be active, be active, be active. Let me see how yesterday candlestick close. Let me see how yesterday candlestick close. Okay. Before we even see any push to the downside, the market will manage to reach this particular resistance level because there is no any bullish engulfing candle. So be very careful on what you are doing now. You understand? Be very, very careful on what you are doing. You understand? Be very careful on what you are doing. Let the market retest the support level before we enter for a buy. Once it retests the support level and you see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, you can take your buy. You understand? You can take your buy from there. But if not until then, please don't jump on a trade like that. Don't jump on a trade. Don't jump on the trade. Don't jump on the trade. Wait for the market to give you what you want first. Wait for your strong strategy. You understand? Wait for your strong strategy to play out before you do anything. Wait for your strong strategy to play out before you jump on the trade. I know everybody have a strategy. Everybody have a strategy. Everybody have a strategy that is using. It's not compulsory you use my own, but please wait for the market to retest this particular support level before you enter for a buy or a sell. You understand? So let me go to GBP USD. Let me see what GBP USD is doing. Let me see. GBP USD want to set people up. I'll be waiting at this. GBP USD want to set people up. I'll be waiting at this. Yeah, good morning. Thank you. What do you want? The charge card. Okay, no. No.
Okay, no card.
Yes, sir. So let me see. See, my major problem is say make I get an engulfing candle on the 1 hour time on a daily time frame. Once I see an engulfing candle on the daily time frame, I'm good to go. But if not until I see that, the market will be giving me double mind. You understand? But let's see 4 hour time frame, sha. Let's see 4 hour time frame. Good morning. How you doing? Thank you. Let's see 4 hour time frame. You supply the NC.
Yes, no, you first.
You first.
Go.
Okay. How much?
Okay.
Your peanut far.
My peanut. Start bringing peanut.
You give up.
No, I'm still doing it.
You're still doing it.
No, but I'm not been bringing peanut. She said one day she's supplying.
Forget that girl, yo. That girl peanut when me I know the future. If you do peanut, bring peanut for us. Yeah. You're open. So there's nothing really serious happening on GPU. See, the market these days is just for scalpers. You understand? The market these days is just for scalpers who want to take a risk. You understand? There's nothing really serious here. There's nothing really serious here. You understand? And as you can see, this particular bullish engulfing candle is either a setup, like to set people who use bullish engulfing candle up. You understand? Because let me see, the market is approaching the resistance level already. The market is approaching the resistance level already, and it's giving this particular setup. And not that the market is go up normally. You understand? It not go up well. The market not go up well, and it's trying to give bullish engulfing candle from here. What is that? Who does that? This bullish engulfing candle is not even from a major support level. Let me see. This particular one happen from a major support level, see support level, where this particular one happen from. Then this particular one, I don't know where it happened from. Is it because of this particular support level or it just retest? Mm. It's only those who know how to scalp now that will enter this particular trade, at least to buy small to the upside. Then if you can be able to like take a risk, that just all. Anybody who come into trading know how to like be very very prepared to take a risk. You understand? It's either you buy from me, target 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. You understand? Because of this engulfing candle, but this engulfing candle is not healthy like this. You understand? This is a healthy engulfing candle, but I don't notice when this particular one form. You understand? And this is another healthy engulfing candle from a support level, but I don't know when it form. You understand? So be very very careful on what you are doing. Be very very careful. The market is approaching the resistance level already. That will send the market down to its major support level. So be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. And be very very careful on what you are doing. Me, any trade that I take, I make sure I take a calculated risk, because all I want to be doing is to end my week in profit every blessed week. I want to be ending my week in profit every time. So be very patient, You understand? Be very very patient, because what I'm seeing like this, the market is not that okay. You understand? The market is not that okay. Mm? There's not any strong bullish engulfing candle. There's no strong. I don't know what you use to like confirm your own entry, but for me like this, I'm not going to take any trade this London section till maybe around that kind 10 or 11. If I see is spike to the downside with engulfing candle to the upside, then I'll take a buy. You understand? If not until then, I'm not going to do anything on the chart. You understand? If not until then, I'm not going to do anything on the chart. Let me check USD Let me check USD Let me check USD or GBP JPY. Let me check GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY. The market is trying to reverse from this particular support level, resistance level. The market is trying to reverse from this particular resistance level. I mean, you guys should like the video for me. Please like the video so that YouTube recommend it to more people. Please like the video, please like the video so that YouTube recommend it to more people. So this is what I'm seeing. And the market is like trying to come down to make a double bottom before we see a push to the upside again. You understand? The market is like trying to make a double bottom before we see a push to the upside again. You understand? The market is like trying to make a double bottom before we see a push to the upside. Maybe this is what I'm expecting. This is exactly what I'm expecting on GBP JPY. Let me go to USD JPY. Mm-hmm. Let me go to USD JPY and see what the market is doing. Okay. USD JPY is coming down now. USD JPY is coming down now like this. USD JPY is coming down. USD JPY is coming down. So if you are somebody who know how to trade this thing, swing, if you are into swing trading, you can take a sell from this particular area like this. If you are golden, sell. If you are golden trading this thing, if you are golden swing trading, you can enter USD JPY for a sell. You understand? You can enter USD JPY for a sell now like this. You can enter USD JPY for a sell. If you are good in swing trading, you can enter USD JPY for a sell. You understand? You can take There's something I'm seeing before I say you guys should enter for a sell. If not, this is a support level, but see bearish engulfing candle from this particular resistance level and the fair value gap. You understand? Means the market is going to the downside. You understand? There's something I'm seeing. I'd not just say you guys should enter like that. You understand? If you know how to take swing trades, you can enter for a sell. You understand? You can enter for a sell. You understand? Then your stop loss will be above this particular bearish engulfing candle. Once your stop loss is above this particular bearish engulfing candle, you are safe. You understand? Once your stop loss is above this particular bearish engulfing candle, you are safe. You are safe. You understand? All these thing that all this push that you see to the upside is because it's go up to fill a bearish, like to fill a gap, Nico. That's exactly what he went up to do. You understand? So you can just enter for a sell. If you are good in this thing, long term trade, you can enter for a sell, because the place that I want this particular candle to fill is still down. You understand? There is a place I want it to fill. There is a fair value gap. There is a gap I want this particular candle to fill. You understand? This is the gap here. This is the gap here. So me, I'm targeting this particular gap down here. I'm targeting this particular gap down here. So if you are good in this thing, swing trading, just enter for a sell. You understand? If you are good in swing trading, you can enter for a sell. Let's see how it will go. On my 10K account, I entered this particular trade for a sale around this particular area yesterday. You understand? The market went all the way to this place. Then now it's trying to like come to the downside. Nevertheless, I'm still expecting a push to the downside regardless. Regardless, I'm expecting to a push to the downside. Regardless. I know the market is on this particular minor support level. Let me mark this particular area out and enter 15-minute time frame. This is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, there's nothing serious. There's nothing serious. There's nothing serious. There's nothing serious. So if you have a question, please drop it on the comment section, please. If you have a question, drop it. If you have a question, drop it on the comment section. If you have a question, we see your stop loss, guy. Wow, see your stop loss, guy. It's a swing trade, man. It's a swing trade. That's why it's far like that. It's a swing trade. You understand? That was your strategy, boss. This particular one, my strategy is from a support level to a resistance level. Once the market is on a support level, I wait for it to like form a W pattern, then plus engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle from a support level, then I'll take my buy. And if the market is on the resistance level, I'll wait for the market to form an M pattern, then with bearish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame before I take my sell. That is just my simple strategy. You understand? But this particular thing that you are seeing on my chart is a swing trade that I take in one of my accounts. You understand? I have two accounts. I use one to take my 15-minute time frame strategy. You understand? Then the other one, I use it to take swing trade. You get? That's how I always do it. My bro. How do you know where to place stop loss? That's a very good question. Like me, I'll use my own as an example for you. On this particular trade now that I'm in, on this particular trade that this trade that I'm in like this, let me show you where I put my stop loss. For swing trade, let me show you where I put my stop loss so that you at least see it very well. Let me show you where I put my stop loss. You understand? Jesus. So this is here. Once I see a bullish or a bearish engulfing candle, my stop loss will be above this particular bearish engulfing candle. As I enter for a sell yesterday, you understand? I enter for a sell yesterday, my stop loss is above this particular bearish engulfing candle on a daily time frame because it's a swing trade. You understand? It's a swing trade, so my stop loss will always be above that particular bearish engulfing candle or below bullish engulfing candle. That is where I place my stop loss. You understand? Then I'll target 1 to 2 on 50. If I use 15-minute time frame to take my trade, I'll target 1 to 2. And if I enter a swing trade, I'll target 1 to 5. You understand? That's how I do it. I don't know if you understand. I don't know if you understand. If I use daily time frame enter my trade, my stop loss is above that particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? And if I use 15-minute time frame enter my trade, my stop loss will be above that particular bullish or bearish engulfing candle. That's it. That's how I always do it. And that's how I always do it. I don't know if you understand. If you understand, please let me know that you understand. Please let me know. If you understand, let me see a reaction from you. If I use 15-minute time frame to take my trade, my stop loss will be below that particular bullish engulfing candle. And if I use a higher time frame to take my trade, always my stop loss will be above a bearish engulfing candle, above a bearish engulfing candle or a bullish engulfing candle, below a bullish engulfing candle. That is where I put my stop loss. Because anything that will make the market push below that bullish engulfing candle means the market is going to the downside. And anything that will make the market push above that a particular bearish engulfing candle means the market is still going to the upside. I don't know if you understand. Mofe. I don't know if you understand. If you understand, let me see a reaction from you real quick. If you understand, let me see understood. If you understand, let me see how understood. All right, that's very great, my bro. That's very great. Thank you so much. That's very great. Okay. First of all, you see, I get you, but I think the trade goes move in your stop loss zone for long before it goes your way. If it does, eh, it's a swing trade, man. It's a swing trade. You understand? It's a swing trade. Up, up, update day for new bill, boss. Okay, which one is that? Which update? Let me know. Which update? Tell me. Prop account. You want share? You want to give away? Madu, do you want to do giveaway? Do you want to do giveaway? Naira trader. If you need Naira trader, just let me know. Anybody who need Naira trader should let me know, or should chat me on WhatsApp. I will guide you on how to get it. If you need Naira trader, let me know. With as low as 9,800, you can get 200,000 Naira this thing account. 9,500, yes, 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 yes. It's a problem, it's a problem. Anybody who need it should let me know on my WhatsApp number. Anybody who need it should let me know on my WhatsApp number. Naira trader, anybody who need it should let me know. People wey get small money fit start there. Exactly, 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 exactly. I even forget to talk about it. Exactly. Na Xness be their broker. Yes, and I know. I've made research. I've made so much research about it. I need boss. Is it legit? It's legit. It's legit. Just text me on WhatsApp. You understand? Text me on WhatsApp if you need them. Let me direct you on how you get it. You text me on WhatsApp. Let me direct you on how to get it. 070 30 070 83 11 9905. If you need it, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. How do we get it? Send me message on WhatsApp. I've dropped my number. Send me message on WhatsApp. Send me message on WhatsApp. You understand? Send me message on WhatsApp. 3311 9905. I've researched about it. I've made research about it already. You understand? I've made research about it. I even have I've made research about it. Drop the update, finish now. No worry, just chat me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number pinned on the screen. Chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you direction on how to get it. I'm going to give you direction on how to get it, and I'm going to give you their rules. You understand? I'm going to tell you all their rules, all their rules. You understand? I'm going to tell you. You understand? Just hit me up on WhatsApp if you need Naira trader, because with as low as 9,500 you can get it. And I think they are on promo now. They are on promo. They are on 30-something% promo now. So okay, okay, okay. Then I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Okay, let me pin it. If I'm going to do that now, let me see. I'm coming, guys. I'm go- I'm going to do that now. I'm coming. I beg, I need the update for prop for 9K. No worry, I dey with you. I dey with you. Just if you need that Naira account with 9,500, you can get it. And they are on promo now. So they are on 30-something% promo. So with as low as, I think, with as low as 6,000 Naira, you can get that particular 200,000 Naira account. Put your promo code. No problem, I'm coming. I'm coming. So see what will happen is my next life I'm going to like pull, because if I'm going to do that now, it will interrupt my life, you understand. So if na don buy bus, try create public group sef, maybe Telegram, make dem use am public. We fit just do am as challenge. Okay, no problem. This your advice, this what you say is very very good, what you say is very very good. And everybody go dey drop analysis, no problem, it's very great also, it's very great, it's very great. Pattern repeat, pattern repeat how? Pattern repeat, what's the meaning of pattern repeat? Telegram signal, which one is pattern repeat? What are you saying? I don't even know your name, please. I don't move. Yes, e go make brain. Yes, exactly. What's the meaning of this pattern repeat? Yes, I've seen your message on WhatsApp already. I've seen your message on WhatsApp. After the live stream, I'll just reply to your message. You understand? After the live stream, I'll after the live stream, I'll respond to you. You understand, bro? After the live stream, I'll respond to you. After the live stream, I'll respond to you. So any other question? Let's do what exactly, what exactly. Omo, this your question, eh? I like as you ask. No drop any number for anybody. But shall just give, no worry, give him your number. If him need your number, just give am. You na correct guy you be. Madu, you be correct guy, give am your number. Since you take permission, I just dey wait make the number drop, then I go delete am immediately, but just give am, just drop your number for am. Drop your number for am. No worry, I give you go ahead, just drop your number for am. Drop your number for him. After he copy am, I go just delete am immediately. Or send me your number so that I'll forward for am. Send me your number on WhatsApp so that I'll forward for am. Send me your number on WhatsApp. Shey you go get my WhatsApp number? If you get my WhatsApp number, send me your number, then I'll forward for am. He don message me already. I'll forward your number to am, because e dey even dey very good to connect traders together. You understand? E dey very good to connect traders together. Send me your number on WhatsApp number, then me I go forward your number go give am. I swear, I'll forward your number to am. Maybe you go send am your referral link sef. I will leave that referral link for you. Shey you get account number? You get account with them already? I'll send this guy I'll send your number to the guy, then you go share am your referral link. You understand? You be good guy, so no worry. Send me your number on WhatsApp, send, then I will forward your number to him. You understand? I don send am. Alright, that's very great. I go check am, then I go send your number to him. You understand? Na wetin I go do with that, I'll send your number to him. You understand? Then I no go send am referral link again. No, na you go send am referral link. You understand? Na you go send am referral link. Wait oh, dis thing dey work so. Good morning, how you doing? What?
150.
Okay, that's very great, bro. That's very great. That's very great. Okay, all connect, sha. We go connect. That one day. We go connect. That one day. That one day. That one day. We go connect. That one day. Sure. Change it. We go connect. That one day. E go make sense. E go make sense. E go make sense. E go make sense if we connect. You understand? E go make sense if we connect. Be like say, and there is no network issue. Why? I mean, my data don't finish from here. Okay, I don't have active data. Okay, that's the reason. uh Abeg no forget to tell the guy say he no fit trade crypto abeg. No worry, once I connect you and the guy together, then you go just dey direct am. You understand ba? Once I connect you and the guy together, then you go just dey direct am on what to do. You understand? I go connect una together, then you go just dey follow am up. You understand? I go connect una together, you go send your referral link to am, then una go just dey, you understand, contact. You understand? Trader to traders now. You understand? I go connect you and the guy together. Dat one dey. I go do that after the live stream. Immediately after the live stream. You understand? I go do that immediately after the live stream. I will do that. I will connect you and the guy together. Yes, bro. Yes, 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 yes. Let me see. I don't have data here. Let me do.
Three zero. Ah, forget it.
Septrin syrup no dey.
Eh?
Septrin syrup no dey. Báwo ṣe?
Tábìlì nǹkan. Computer no dey.
How many years?
Na 4 months the guy dey go.
Jesus Christ. No, go buy Septrin syrup. Go buy Emzor product Septrin syrup, then give am. You understand ba? Go buy Emzor product Septrin syrup, give am. 312. Start 312. 10 gig. 3005 gig. 15. 600. Then 6 gig. 25. No be 7 days on I need. No be 7 days on I need. I don't need 7 days on. My monthly I need. My monthly I need monthly. I don't need 7 days on. I need monthly. The link remotely is not working here. Let me see if I have. Valid for 1 day, 24 hours. No, I'm still not buying. Or just tell me the name of the prophet. No worry now. Why you there in a hurry? Why you there in a hurry? I go refer, see, I go send your number to that guy. Then he go send you the link to that particular prophet. You understand? You go follow his link. You understand? You go follow his link. Then you register with that particular prophet. He's the one that is going to tell you all the rules. You understand, that is guiding the prophet. If not, you go do anything blindly now, you go blow the account, or you go breach the. You need somebody that will be guiding you. You understand? So just be calm. I will send the guy number to you. Then the guy will be directing you on what to do, because the guy get experience on that particular thing. You understand? If you dey hear me, just let me know. If you are hearing me, just let me know. He don't send me the phone number. He send me his phone number. I go send the phone number to you. Clips, I go send his phone number to you on WhatsApp. No worry. He's going to, at the year, okay, he's going to direct you. You understand? He's going to direct you. There are rules. You understand? There are rules, but no be too much rules like that. Even me, I have the account. You understand? I have that Trader account. You understand? I have it. There are rules, but the rules is not that much. You understand? So, like beginners, it go good for beginners well. So don't worry. My next live stream, I'm going to like drop the link, but I'm going to, can I scap? Scapping is allowed. Just that, share, if you want to scap, you wait at least your trade they reach 3 minutes. If your trade they reach 3 minutes, you are good to go. You understand? If your trade they reach 3 minutes, they have 3 minutes rule. You understand? The guy is going to put you through. Don't worry, he's going to put you through. Once I connect una after the live stream, then he go tell you everything where they around it. You understand? Then me, anybody that will come through me, I'll direct the person, I'll be guiding that person. You understand? Now waiting I go do with that. You understand? With as low as 9,500 naira, you can get a $200,000 200,000 naira account. And it's good for beginners, you understand, so that you'll be using that one to be testing your strategy. It's good for beginners, you understand. Then please be very, very calm, so that I'll send the guy number for you through WhatsApp. You understand? Maybe YouTube will not allow him to drop his phone number here. You understand? Okay, I get. Make we all connect now. Bro, we'll go create group. Make we dey together. We'll be one. All head must equal. No worry, my brother, I'll come up with that. Since you have my WhatsApp number, we'll be discussing about that. You understand? The reason why I have a used to, I have a Telegram group. You understand? I have Telegram group, I have WhatsApp group, but people who are on that particular group, they are not serious. Now why I just abandon those group, you understand? So that I'll be coming live for you guys here. You understand? But don't worry, we'll discuss about that particular group on the channel, on my WhatsApp. You understand? We'll discuss about the group on my WhatsApp. You understand? So don't worry, just message. Since you have messaged me, you have nothing to worry about. Me and the guy will be guiding you on what you do. You understand? Me and the guy will be guiding you on what you do. If you ask the guy and he's not, maybe they active to answer you, just ask me. I will answer you. You understand? So about the group, I will think about the group, then I will create the group for everybody. You understand? I'll create a group for everybody where everybody will be like, you understand, interact together. I will just create a group and just leave it for you guys, so that I will be interact. But let me just think about it first, because I don't want anybody to scam anybody using my name or using my group. That is the reason why I just did very, very calm first. since I'm not going to scam anybody, I don't want anybody to scam anybody. You understand? So please be calm. I will know the type of person that I will refer you to. You understand? And I see the guy, I know that he's the correct guy. That is why I'm going to connect you and him, and I'm going to warn him very, very well not to do anything fishy. You understand? Not to do anything fishy with you. You understand? So try be calm. Then I'll connect you and the guy on WhatsApp. Then I go the chat from there. You get me, ba? So please try to be calm first. Try to be calm. Try to be calm. Then give me POS. Give me POS. I don't have data here. Try to be calm. Try to be calm. Try to be calm, bro. Let me see if there is any opportunity. I don't have data. I need to have data inside this phone. But just leave it. Leave it. After the live stream, I will just subscribe. After the live stream, I will subscribe. Check it out. I'm already at 200. Just go buy only your own. Mhm. Yes, my bro. Yes. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll make sure I protect everybody. You understand? I protect everybody from scamming. Mm. I will not allow anybody to be scammed through my channel. I will not allow anybody to be scammed through my channel. You understand? So please be calm for me, bro. Please be calm for me. Be calm, be calm, be calm. And that particular Naira trader, I will refer a lot of people because it's very, very cheap. You understand? With that now, beginner traders can know how to at least using that one to be testing their strategy, testing their every when I just calm down, I'm making so much research about that particular firm first. I'm making so much this thing, so much this thing. How is it called? I'm making so much research about it. So more na just dey calm. Maybe I'll come on live during New Year section. You understand? Anything, let me just say 1 o'clock. I'll come on live 1 o'clock so that I will tell you guys concerning the prop firm. You understand? Then you understand? At least from there, beginner traders can start at least use that one to practice their strategy, practice on their strategy and the rest, and they will be mastering their emotion because the way the naira will be going up and down, up and down, up and down because of the way the market will be fluctuating. You guys will be like, at least from there now, you know how to be risk small, so that you master your emotion and the rest. That particular prop account is going to train a lot of people. You understand? It's going to train a lot of people. I'll come on live during New Year section, then I'll tell you guys what to do. You understand? I'll tell you guys what to do during New York section before I'll come on live in the evening again to like direct people. You get on what to do. So please be calm for me. You understand? If there is anything you want me to check on the chat, just let me know real quick. The woman know the one. If there is anything you want me to do on the chat, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If there's anything you want me to check for you on the chat, because I have do almost everything that I need to do for you guys here. So you will be the one now to bring up questions so that I will like answer you. You understand? Because I will not like to be doing only what I want, only what I like. You understand? I want to be doing what you guys like also. You understand? So if you have any question, just drop the question on the comment section. Then I'll I'll answer to your question, please, please, please. Mm. So any question from you guys? I have less than 2 minutes to go. If there is no question, I have less than 2 minutes to go. 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 I have less than 2 minutes to go, man. So that I will meet during New Year section because I need to come on live during New Year section to like put things in order. You understand? Put some things in order. Then maybe in the evening we'll still do one or two again. You understand? Around 8. I just pray so that light will not do us what it did yesterday. You understand? I just pray so that light will not do us what it did yesterday. So that we'll all enjoy the live stream during the evening. But New Year section, I'm still coming to the live stream to like share with you guys what I'm seeing on the chat. You understand? So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, this is where traders meet to like rub mind together. If you look through the chat, you will see that yes, this is where traders meet to rub mind together, to connect with each other and the rest. And I will not allow anybody to be scammed using my name. So please be very, very careful. If you want to connect with anybody, you can let me know so that I'll connect you guys together. So I see you guys later, maybe around 1 p.m. I'll see you guys around 1 p.m. sharp. So thank you and bye for now. I love you guys all for tuning out today. You understand? Tuning in today. Man, I love you guys all for tuning in today. Thank you guys. And I see you during New York section. I see you during New York section. You understand? There's no any opportunity now like this, but I see you during New York section. So try be safe. Be safe, be safe, be safe, be safe.